Hey guys, today we are going to see about Blacksmith and what most people players do. They are buying the beans here because it's very cheap. So saving stocks for beans is good. When the blacksmith is on, you should buy it if you can. What's also good is if you don't already have the baby possessed, the price is okay to get. The Kaioken price is okay too, and the gear shots and medium refined stone. And I wouldn't spend much on these star orb and rainbow fragments because it doesn't really work at the moment. It hasn't worked for a long time, so at the moment don't spend anything on that. And then you wouldn't buy big speed capsules here. That's better for the gold pot event, pot smash event. Yeah. Um, it's pretty good to get Goku SS4 and Vegeta SS4 for bufflings for Vegeta God and Goku God. And the Goku needs is a buff for Namek and Earth too, so they're pretty good to get. And if you since you're already if you keep the Namek, which is the best to do, that means you have to keep Goku SS4 in the Ginyu all the time, so you might as well go max on it and try to get it as high stage as possible. So, but that's all the good stuff in Blacksmith you can get, except in some special events they change where they put hearts in for other exchanges. But besides this is all the stuff that's good. All the other stuff, don't go near it, it's not worth it.